Hey everybody. So today's traffic source is an absolute beast. You won't believe how awesome this one is. Let me show you SimilarWeb so you can see the stats for yourself, decide for yourself if it's worth your time. I recommend it because, well, I've done a little bit of research into this. I'm really impressed, but I haven't used it. I'm going to use it for the first time. We're going to use it together so you can see my genuine reaction to using it. So it was founded in 2009. Here we are in SimilarWeb, and the global rank is 1,900. The country rank, United States, is 2,600. Really impressive stuff, right? But look at this. It is just short of 20 million users every single month. Look at that. That's an amazing traffic source. It's huge, right? Look at this. By country, we've got the United Kingdom, the United States, well in the lead there, and then China coming in second. Look at that. So we got 14% from the USA, 8% from China, 8% from India, 5% from Brazil, and then 3% from the good old UK. So the traffic sources, 50% is direct, 21% is search. Let's have a look at what's going on with the search. So 21% is from search, and of that, 99.98% is organic, 0.02% paid. And when it comes to social, where is it getting its traffic from? Pinterest is a big traffic source for this website, and then second is Facebook, then YouTube, Twitter. Display advertising is 0.06%. And let me show you something else. So this is rank 2 traffic. This is traffic over the last 10 years. So there you can see how this website has been increasing. So over the first year, it was getting 1 million visits a month, 2 million visitors a month, and it steadily increased until around 2013, late 2013, and then it started to dip down, and then in, where are we at? August 2015, the traffic levels spike up and then dip down a little bit, but it's been on this steady increase month after month, right up until at the moment where it's getting just under 20 million visitors a month. So if we look at how things are going over time with this traffic source, we can see it's increasing, and it's increasing at an amazing rate. So we want to take advantage of that, right? We want to put ourselves in front of those visitors, because this is obviously one of those untapped traffic sources that I love sharing with you. So if applicable, we want to put your content on here, and we want to get links to your website on here as well, so we can siphon some of that traffic. And let's just confirm. So we're using 2 sources to confirm the traffic levels, and here it says 20 million visitors a month there. So pretty good. Let me go to the website. So this website is called dribble.com, but it's spelled a little bit funny. So it's DRIBBLE.com. So I'll repeat that again. So it's DRIBBLE, so BBBLE.com, dribble.com. And it says, discover the world's top designers and creatives. Now, I consider us guys creative because we are involved in creating content, and this is a very visual website. So I'm going to show you how people are using it. And there's a couple of different ways that I believe this website can be used. So let's have a look at it in a bit more detail before we decide if it's really right for you or not. So it says Dribble is the leading destination to find and showcase creative work and home to the world's best design professionals. So if you're a designer, this is naturally going to be an interesting website for you. But let me show you how other people are using the website too. So I'll show you that in a second. But this is something that I really like about this website. Look at all these contributions here. So each one has got the number of views that piece of content has received. So if we click on this and look at this contribution, it is basically just a screenshot of their homepage. But look, this was posted to the website yesterday and it's already received 2,600 views. So that's pretty significant, right? And all it is just a screenshot of their homepage. Let me show you how someone else is using this. So look at this. This is just an image. It says now hiring brand strategist. And there it's a job position. And there is a link to their website. And that has got, again, 2,000 views, 2,400 views. It's had over 100 likes, one save, and it was posted yesterday. High traffic site, right? Look at this. Very basic little image there, but they're linking to their Twitter and their Instagram. Let's have a little bit of an investigation around this website before we have a look at the guidelines and that kind of thing. So we might want to use the search because I assume people looking for content like your content might be using this website to find that content. So let's say you're in the health niche. So health. There. Look at that. This one has got 64,000 views. Let's click on that. Oh, we need an account to view that one. That's okay. So, let me show you this actually. So here it says members. It's got a few members at the top there. So let's click on Oscar Health. So this is a health insurance company. Okay. So a health insurance company is using this website, getting traffic from this website, getting free exposure. And that's perfectly cool. And you can see that contribution has got 3,000 views. That one's got 11,000 views, 7,000 views, 8,000 views, 13, 50, 5,000, 6,000, 42,000 views on that one. Crazy, right? And look, because they have an account, there's a link to their website, to the Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Medium, LinkedIn. Now let's see if these links are do follow or no follow. Let's inspect element. I'm going to say they're going to be no follow. Where are we at? So yeah, no follow link. That's okay. We need no follow links in our profile as well, because if we don't have no follow links, then Google thinks, well, hey, all these links that do follow, there is something very unnatural about that. Maybe they're trying to manipulate the search engine, so let's not rank these guys as high as we might. So we need to bring in no follow into the mix as well. But look at that. I mean, these guys are getting epic traffic from this site, right? Let's just click through to their website. There you can see it's a standard landing page, right? It's just a health insurance website, but yet they're using this platform and getting amazing results with it. So there you can see we can We can get huge levels of exposure. We can link to our website. We can put links inside the actual visual contribution. So if we upload an image, just like we would on Pinterest, we can look at this. You can add links inside here. I'm going to guess that these are no follow as well. Let's inspect that. So yeah, no follow. That's okay. And this one, this contribution was published there yesterday. It's got 3,000 views. And look, they've got multiple links there. So it's not just linking to one place. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 links in that. Plus people can pin it on Pinterest. They can tweet it on Twitter, and they can copy the URL to the clipboard and share it around on social media. Amazing, right? Let's have a look at the guidelines before we decide if we actually do want to use this website. So this is going to tell us what we can and what we can't post on here. So the code of conduct, our code of conduct, and your pledge to be an upstanding member of the Dribbble community. Okay, it seems to be very important. I will only upload work I have created. So don't post others' work. Don't take credit for others' work. Don't post copyrighted or trademark content. So you will only upload design work. So Dribbble is a place to upload what you're currently working on and portfolio quality work. So don't share content that you would share on a video sharing platform. Include promotional videos, commercials, tutorials. Don't share show reels if you're using audio to enhance your shot. Please use it thoughtfully. Okay. I won't post inappropriate content. So nothing illegal, no porn, no racist, sexist, or otherwise offensive content, no shocking, graphic, grotesque, or obscene content, nothing inflammatory. Don't spam. So what do we consider spam? Using likes, follows, linking to your own work in comments. So don't add links in comments. Asking for likes, follows, leaving many comments that are short or on substance. So pretty standard stuff. So I won't use Dribbble invitations to draw attention to my own account. I will give due credit. I will be constructive in my feedback. I will use messages to contact Dribbble members about serious work inquiries. So it seems you can hire or you can get jobs on here as well. Pretty cool. And if we have a look down here at the bottom, post a job. So hiring at Dribbble. So maybe you can earn some money working for someone else if you want to. So look at this. Hire from our community of the world's best designers. So if I want a logo, guess where I'm coming? Okay. So anyway, those guidelines pretty good, all reasonable, right? Nothing out of the ordinary there. So I think, all things considered, anyone can make use of this website and use it in a really positive way and get a lot of attention and traffic and links to the website. So shall we go ahead and sign up? I don't think I've got anything to post on here at the moment because it might take a little bit of work to find someone or hire someone to make a piece of content for this website. But let me just go through things anyway. So here at the top nav, we've got sign up, sign in. Let's click sign up. Sign up with Google. Please confirm. So McMeany, username. I'm going to go McMeany. Password. I'm going to use a strong password generated by Safari. Click terms of service, create account. Okay, so I've got a bio here. So let's see an example of what people are adding here. So let's add bio. So founder of Profit Copilot and 20 years of digital marketing experience. So what brings you to Dribbble? I'm here to share my design work. Click continue. And now it's asking me if I want to upgrade to Pro for $5 a month. So I'm not going to bother with that at the moment. I'm just going to finish. And there we go. Account created. So it's asking me now to upload my first shot. I've got nothing to upload, nothing to contribute to this website at the moment. But let's have a look at my profile. So there you can see that I've got a profile there, account settings. And here I can add in a link to my website. So even if we don't upload anything, I've still got a link in exchange for signing up and upload stuff. All right, so it's really simple. So I would just drag in an image there and I can upload 48 shots this month. So I assume I can upload at least one piece of content every single day. So I mean, that's going to give you more than, 48 links to your website from this platform. 48 chances of huge levels of exposure for free. It's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with this. Okay, but this is awesome, right? And you can get lots of free traffic and exposure and links from this site, but it's just one. So if you want more traffic sources, I'm going to give them to you for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Sign up for that. It won't cost you a penny. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below. Subscribe to the channel too. Remember to hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me. And I will hopefully see you again on Monday. So have a good weekend, guys. Take care.